Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so nothing interrupts the transfer. On your old phone, open Google Authenticator now and sign in if prompted. You need the account list visible. On the new phone, install and open Google Authenticator and grant camera permission so it can scan QR codes. Once done, make sure both phones are nearby and do not close either app. You're about to export codes from the old device and import them to the new one. You'll now export your accounts. In Authenticator on the old phone, tap the menu, choose Transfer Accounts, then Export Accounts, and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. You'll see a QR code representing selected accounts. Don't share this code with anyone. On the new phone, choose Import Accounts, point the camera at the QR code, and scan. Once the import finishes, verify each account's 6-digit codes match expected service prompts. If you have many accounts, repeat the export for any missed. Finish by testing. Use one service to log in with the code from the new phone. You must confirm authentication works before deleting anything. Once confirmed, remove accounts from the old phone or uninstall the app to prevent confusion. If a code doesn't work, first check that both phones have correct time and automatic time zone enabled. Authenticator relies on precise time. If needed, re-export the account or use backup codes from the service to regain access. This fixes most transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.